So what's going on, guys? I just wanted to hop on here and make a quick video and just show y'all what it's like driving 50% tint at night. And right here I'm on this dark road. There's really not no other lights besides obviously with other cars coming, but so this is what it's like driving 50% tint at night. And honestly, it's really not even bad. It's like, I don't know how it's gonna look on the camera, but I mean, it's almost like driving with no tint on the windshield, honestly. It might look a little dark on camera, just because we on like a dark road with no lights right now, with no street lights. So, but I mean, as we get further up on the road, you'll see that it's really, I mean, it's really like driving with no tint on the windshield, to be honest with you. I haven't, right now, like I said, I got 15% tint. If you haven't saw the other videos, I have 15% tint on this, pretty much all the way around the truck, except, you know, on the back, you have the factory, so it's 15% of the factory. I am planning at some point to do 5% on the front side, so on the passenger side and the driver's side, in the front, and probably in the back. But that's the plan right now. Right now I'm driving with my fog lights and my low beams on right now currently. But like, if you wanted to see what it looks like at night, not at night, if you want to see what it looks like on the outside, you can go watch the other video. I'll leave a card somewhere up above. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. It's really not bad at all. Sometimes I wish I'd have went a little bit darker than 50, but other times it'd be times like when I'm on, you know, like a dark road, and or like when it's raining or something, then obviously I'm glad I did go 50%. See, like now I'm about to pretty much be like in city limits, so it'll be a bunch of street lights and you know, businesses with their lights and everything around, so, and things will be pretty much brightened up a little bit. So yeah, so I mean, like, you could, right here you can definitely tell you can't even, on the inside you won't even really notice that it's tinted, to be honest. Sometimes I actually forget that it's tinted. Especially when I'm in like situations like this where I'm riding around and like you got street lights everywhere. Like I forget that it's tinted sometimes. But yeah, man, I just wanted to hop on here and make a quick video. Nothing crazy. Show y'all what 50% look like at night. But catch y'all on the next video. Catch you on the next one.